0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good. You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an Ibanez TOD10N-TKF coming in for a pro setup. I've done one of these before. I did a setup on one of these before. Same thing, the action came in very high. So previously it was around 3.25 to 3.5 on the bass side on the 12th fret. So right now it's being lowered. Right now somewhere around 1.75 to 2 on the bass side, and it's 1.5 on the treble side on the 12th fret. It can actually go a bit lower, but if let's say you are going to go lower than that, you might lose a bit of tone. I already explained this to the client, so he says just maintain it as it is, because if not, it will be very playable, but you lose a bit of tone there. So this is the sound test. Okay, so pretty much the guitar is good to go. I did a bit of cleanup. This guitar is like 2 days old, 3 days old. Just in for just the setup work. So everything seems to be working. Everything is good. Guitar is good to go. Let me know when you want to pick up. I see you soon. Bye.
1.